Welcome to my channel Nice Home Plants. Today we are going to see which are the medicinal benefits of a plant called Clitoria ternatia. It's its botanical name, and in English we call it winged leaved Clitoria. In Hindi it is known as Aparajita, which means one who defeats, Shankh Pushpi, Vishnu Kanta, and many such names. But today we are going to focus more about the medicinal importance of this plant. So friends, let's try to first identify the Clitoria ternatia. How to identify now? We can identify it by seeing its leaves as well as its flowers. We can see that this plant not only has a great medicinal value, but it also can be seen as a decorative plant, as an ornamental plant. It is also known as winged leaved criteria because you can see that the petals are like the wings. It also comes in double layers. This one is a single layer flower, and you can see its beauty. That's why it's also called an ornamental plant, which also increases the beauty of our garden. We can see that nature has endowed us with such a great blessing, but we just need to know how to make proper use of these plants in maintaining our good health. So I hope now you will be able to identify this plant, which is called winged leaved criteria, from its shape, the shape of the flower. Now we can see the leaves are of this type. You can easily see it has here 7 leaves are there, and it is in the form of a vine. It's not a plant or a tree, but it is in the form of a vine, and for that it needs a support. So we always need to take care that whenever you grow this criteria in your garden, then you have to arrange for the proper support so that it can fully blossom. As you can see, there are so many flowers which can be used in so many different ways, which we are going to see in my upcoming videos. So please do not forget to watch my upcoming videos. Now yes, how many colors are there? Now in India you can find it in mostly 2 colors. One is this blue one, which really so beautiful, and it is considered here in India one of the most favorite flowers of the gods and goddesses. So here we can see this is blue in color. We have one more color, that's white. In my garden, I have already showed you that I have both the plants. One you have seen it is in the form of blue color, and this one which is white colored, this is also wing-leaved Clitoria, and you can see how beautiful it looks, and because of its petals it is named as winged leaved. So it is available mostly in blue and white colors, but both the plants have equal importance in medicinal field. Now we are going to see how we can use it for different purposes to maintain our good health. So friends, now let us see in which diseases it is really a kind of boon. God has given us a great boon on the earth, but we need to make proper use of these plants. So I would like to talk about a few problems, few diseases. It has so many, it is a cure for so many ailments and diseases, but here I would just like to quote a few, like migraine, then in the problem of constipation, and even if you have tonsil or if you have the problem of coughing, cough, cold, there also it is very useful. It is often taken by the people to cure these problems in the form of herbal tea. It's a very good source of herbal tea, and along with drinking it as a herbal tea, we can also cure the problem of constipation, which nowadays we see that with the increase in junk food, this problem is seen not only in adults but even in children. So they would also enjoy it. In herbal tea we can also add lemon to make it more delicious, but in our upcoming videos I am going to show you how we can prepare a very tasty herbal tea which also will be liked with by children along with the adults. Here I would also like to share my experience about the use of herbal tea. I have been taking this herbal tea for last 3 years, and I can say that I really feel so active and energetic because I am a working woman, and that's why we need some source of such activeness and such energy is needed by us. And I would also like to talk about how this flower has proved to be a great boon, to be a great blessing for the women to cure their menstrual problems. So in next video I will also talk about how we can use the leaves and the flowers as well as the roots in curing so many ailments. So thanks for watching, and if you like the video, Please don't forget to like and subscribe.